Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about how to start data science. And for friends, before watching this video, I will recommend you, please watch our previous video and previous videos. I have discussed some points on data science, like what is data science, what are the applications of data science, and which programming language for our data science. Actually, friends, in previous video, we emphasize Python programming language for our data science. And in this video, we prove and we also discussed how can you say that Python programming language is one of the best programming language for our data science compared to other programming language like a R programming language, like a Java programming language, like C or C++, and also JavaScript. We already discussed with you in previous video. So again, I will recommend you, before watching this video, please go our previous video. So let's start how to start data science with the help of Python programming language. So the point is, now you can see Python data science. Actually, name is Python data science. Only name should be only data science, but Python data science. Actually, this video, a specialist who's a student who want to data science with the help of Python programming language. And now we prove why use Python programming language, which type of module provided by the Python programming language, right? So let's start from Python data science. Actually, we also discussed about data science are nothing, it's just a collection of relative information from data. And just imagine you collect so many relative information from a data and you want to perform some task with the help of concept of data science. So in data science, actually each and every data science concept categorized into two parts. And friends, during the all period of data science, whenever you are moving data science, whenever you are going to cover all these topic of data science, then mainly you have to understand two concepts of data science. And the first concept is, now you can see, the first point or the first concept is data analysis. And the second is data visualization. Just wait about data visualization. Actually, first we will discuss about data analysis. So already we'll discuss about data analysis, and the second point, data visualization. Actually, we have so many informatic kinds of data from your data science. And if you want to extract, if you want to search, if you want to modify, if you want to filter on that particular data, then this concept is known as data analysis. Like you want to show your previous data, profit or loss. You want to filter in individual data. So all these kinds of is our data analysis. But once that data analysis is completed, whenever you want to show your data with the help of so many graphs, with the help of so many charts, then you have to use the concept of data visualization. Because actually visualization is nothing, it's visualization. The meaning of, you can say that the meaning of visualization is represent your data with the help of so many charts, with the help of so many graphs. So first, we'll discuss about data analysis. And in data analysis, Python provides two important modules. And both of two modules used for data analysis. And not only sorting, searching, not only filtering, you can do so many advanced level of statistics functionality, probabilities functionality, like a mean, standard deviation, variance, mode, so many things. So all these kinds of the part of data analysis, and with the help of two modules of Python. And the first module is NumPy and SciPy. Actually, NumPy is basically used for fundamental scientific computing. And the SciPy, if you talk about the concept of SciPy, then in case of SciPy modules, actually in Python, we also already discussed about modules are nothing, it's just a collection of similar types of function. And you know that NumPy is a modules of data science. So it's clear in NumPy modules have so many data science related functions. But in SciPy have so many functions related through a measurement. Like you want to convert meter to centimeter, meter to kilometer, meter to decimeter, and not only meter or kilometer. You want to convert a kg to gram, you want to convert distance, anything related measurement. All these things are in a SciPy modules, right? And the second, one of the important module of data science and especially used for data analysis is pandas. Now you can see that. Actually, pandas are also used for data manipulation and analysis. So what are the basic difference between NumPy and pandas? Actually, in this video, I will try to the basic concept how to start data science, and will next video I will make how to start, which editor have to use for data science, and also for the next video we'll discuss make a video as a separate videos for NumPy, separate videos as pandas, and also separate videos as SciPy. Right. So if you understand to basic concept of NumPy and pandas, actually you know that data analysis, suppose you have a data in tabular format. Tabular format we'll discuss, we already discussed with our previous videos, a structured data. If you have data in a structured order, and in case of a structured order, so many numbers of row and the number of column. And you know that data is not only in one dimensional, your data may be two dimensional. So with the help of NumPy modules, whenever you want to implement one dimensional data, so in case of one dimensional data, you have a one function, the function is 1D array. Actually in NumPy modules, you have to implement the concept of array, and I hope you know about the concept of array like a C, C++ or Java. Right? So NumPy for 1D data using a 1D array, and for 2D data using a 2D array. Same as like a C, C++ or Java programming language. But if you talk about the pandas, so in pandas, if you are going to implement one dimensional data, you have to use the concept of series, because the series is the built-in function of pandas module, and these series functions are specially used for one dimensional data. And now for two-dimensional data, you have to use a data frame, and especially data frame is used for two-dimensional data. So we'll discuss in next videos what are the functionality of 1D array, 2D array, and also what are the different kinds of functions of pandas, what are the different kinds of functions of NumPy. Actually not possible in short video on these videos, right? So next, we discussed. Already I have discussed with you once a complete task your data analysis, right? You want to move you want to show your data with the help of so many graphs, with the help of so many chart, like a pie chart, bar chart, histogram chart, so many chart. Then you have to use the concept of data visualization. In other words, we can say that data visualization are nothing, it's just a implementation of graphically representation. And graphical may be pie chart, bar chart, histogram chart, scatter chart, so many chart. And in data visualization, Python also provide two types of module, and both of two modules are used for data visualization, are used for so many graphs. And the first module is matplotlib, one of the popular module for data visualization, plotting and visualization. And the second module is cboard. Actually, there is no major difference between matplotlib and cboard. Some minor difference, actually some advanced part of matplotlib as a cboard, right? So it's not mandatory that you can use a matplotlib or you can use a cboard. You can use either matplotlib or either cboard, right? I hope clear. And if you have any doubt, friends, I will recommend you, if you have any doubt, any problems, so please let me know in comment section. I will try to solve your problem with the help of comment section. And just wait for next video. Actually, in next video we'll discuss about which type of editor have to use for data science. As we know that for data science we have so many editor, and about this topic we'll discuss in next videos, which type of editor have to used. For these videos, I will again recommend you, if you have any doubt, any query, then let me know in your comment section. I will try to solve your problem, definitely. So thanks for watching this video and wait for next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.